Welcome, beautiful souls. Today, we have an extraordinary topic to explore together: yoga for a lighter, healthier, and happier life. And I'm thrilled to guide you on this transformative journey. Yoga is not just a physical practice, it's a path towards holistic well-being. And today, I want to introduce you to a program that has the power to elevate your practice and transform your life: Yoga Burn. Introducing Yoga Burn, a revolutionary program by fitness expert Zoe Bray-Cotton, designed for women. It combines dynamic sequencing, resistance training, and strategic exercises to sculpt your body, boost metabolism, and enhance overall well-being. But what sets Yoga Burn apart is its ability to empower you to live a lighter, healthier, and happier life. By integrating Yoga Burn into your practice, you'll experience a profound transformation from the inside out. Through my personal journey with Yoga Burn, I experienced a transformative shift in body, mind, and spirit. The dynamic sequences and targeted exercises sculpted my physique while invigorating my heart and uplifting my spirits. Ready to embark on a journey towards a lighter, healthier, and happier life? Try Yoga Burn today. Click the link in the description below to support our channel and access exclusive bonuses and resources for an enhanced yoga practice and overall well-being. Imagine yourself flowing through graceful yoga poses, feeling the strength and flexibility coursing through your body, and experiencing a renewed sense of vitality. With Yoga Burn, you can truly embrace the radiant and joyous life you deserve. Thank you for joining me on this incredible journey of yoga for a lighter, healthier, and happier life. Remember, the power to transform your life lies within you. Click the link in the description to try out Yoga Burn and unlock the potential for a radiant and joyous life.